Don't forget to like, subscribe.
Supreme Court's Legal Service Committee. So the news is related to appointment of new chairman to the Legal Service Committee. That is the reason why it has appeared in the news. Let's look into how the new news is related to examination. Under prelims, it has been related to Indian polity, governance, constitution, political system. Similarly, under mains, it has been related to structure, organization, functioning of executive and the judiciary, which comes under GS paper 2. So this is how the news has been linked with the examination. So Justice B.R. Gawai has been nominated as chairman of the Legal Service Committee, the Supreme Court's Legal Service Committee, and he has been nominated under the statute of Section 3A of Legal Service Authority Act 1987 along with Rule 10 of the NALSA 1995. This is under these statutes only he has been appointed. And what is the Supreme Court's Legal Service Committee is? Supreme Court's Legal Service Committee was constituted to provide free and competent legal service to the weaker section of the society, and at the same time the committee comprises of the sitting Supreme Court judge who also act as the chairman and other members who has the experience and qualifications prescribed by the center according to the statutory act, and the chairman as well as the other members will be nominated by Chief Justice of India. Chief Justice of India also appoint the secretary to the committee, which is very important from the perspective of prelims. And the Rule 10 of NALSA, what it says is that it lays down the numbers, experience as well as the qualification of the Legal Service Committee's members. Under Section 27 of 1987 Act, the center is empowered to make rules in consultation with Chief Justice of India to carry out the provision of Act. So this is how the members of the Legal Service Committee have been elected as well as appointed. And members of Legal Service Committee, it consists of not more than 9 members, and it includes ex officio members such as Attorney General of India, Joint Secretary to Department of Justice, and Additional Secretary to Department of Expenditure, and then Registrar General of Supreme Court. And center can also nominate in consultation with Chief Justice of India with other members from among those having the requisite qualification as prescribed under the statutory act. And why Supreme Court Legal Service Committee is needed is what DPSP is saying is that under Article 39A of the Constitution, the state shall secure that the operation of the legal system promotes justice on the basis of equal opportunity, and shall in particular provides free legal aid by suitable legislation or schemes or in any other way to ensure opportunities for securing justice are not denied to any citizen. This is under another article, that is Article 14 and 22A of the Fundamental Right makes it obligatory for the state to ensure equality before the law and the legal system that promotes justice based on equal opportunities. So this is the reason why this Legal Service Committee has been formed or established. And also the idea for legal service legal aid program have started during 1950s, but it was only in 1980s only it got implemented in the form of formation of NALSA Act. And during 1980, a committee at the national level was established under the chairmanship of then Supreme Court Judge P.N. Bhagwati, and the committee was given the charge for implementing the legal aid scheme and started monitoring the legal aid activities across India. And what is the dispensing of the services? NALSA Act 1987 came into force during 1995 only to establish a nationwide network providing free and competent legal service to the weaker section, and also at the same time it also aimed to organize lok adalats and constitutes legal service authority. Subsequently, in every state legal service authorities have also been formed to implement the NALSA policies as well as the direction. So this is how the service that legal service has been dispensed under the Supreme Court Legal Service Committee. And what need to be studied further is we should be aware of what is DPSP and what is the articles provided under it, what is fundamental rights, what is the difference between fundamental rights and DPSP, and what is the structure, function and objective of National Human Rights Commission. So this is how the news, these are all the further areas which we needed to be aware of, and with this we have reached the end of this topic.